Hello students, today we will talk about the poem Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold. This poem Dover Beach is a lyrical poem that is composed by the poet Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was the son of Thomas Arnold and he received his university education at Oxford. He was an inspector of school for several years and deeply concerned about education and schools in England. And for 10 years he was professor of poetry at Oxford from 1857 to 1867. His early poems were published in 1849. Matthew Arnold is one of the Victorian poets who is romantic in tone and attitude, and his poetry failed to meet his own critical evaluation of poetry. This poem, Dover Beach, is written in lyrical form, in the form of a lyric. It combines the personal note of an affection and relationship with a concern for the world at large. The world of nature, the fall and retreat of the waves reminds him of the ups and downs of the life. In this poem, we can find a note of sadness at the realization that the age of certainty and stability is over and the future is likely to be one of strife and doubt. So, Matthew Arnold is very much concerned about the modern age, that is the modern values. He felt very sad when he looked at the modern world, because in this modern world men struggle with each other, not realizing the need for understanding and peace. So he is expressing his concern and sadness throughout the poem.